this round 2 of it. Can you see that? Oh, when you take good care of your hair, you get good results.
3, 2, 1, 0.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. You already know what today's video is all about. Yeah, by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair. So please stay tuned. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Ossai. Welcome to the family. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm just going to take this out. Yeah, this is how my hair is looking like. So I'm just gonna wash it out because I have a lot of product on my hair. So first I'm gonna take this out. It's a rubber band what I use to band my hair. As you can see, I have gel on it, so I'm gonna wash it out, and then when I wash it, I'll let you know. This is how my hair is looking like after rinsing out the gel from the hair. Now I can easily comb my hair. Shampoo I'm using, I've not used this product before. I'm just gonna, this is my first time using this product. I'm just gonna go ahead and just gonna go ahead. It smells nice, and it thickens and add volume to the thinning hair. I think my hair is kind of thinny, so it's good. Wow, like just little, and it's bringing out much from like this. I love the fact that it smells well. So you guys, I'm inside the bedroom. In case you don't know, I'm in the washroom, so that's why I'm making this video. In case you guys are hearing the sound of the hair comb, or if my voice is bringing a hair comb, just know that I'm inside the washroom. Yeah, so when I apply shampoo on my hair, what I do is I usually massage the scalp, like to make sure I use my hand like to scrub it. So this is how I do my. So I'm just gonna head with my tangle brush, and then my god, this shampoo smells so nice. So after scrubbing the my hair, I'm just gonna rinse it out. So guys, yeah, this is how my hair is looking like after washing the first shampoo I apply on my hair. I had this round 2 of it, but just small shampoo, and then I put it on my hair again. So what I do is I wash my hair twice with shampoo, and then I make sure I scrub it so well with my hand. Like you guys can see, the foam is different, like lighter than the other one. The foam is more lighter than the other one. So this is how mine. So guys, I'm just gonna rinse this one out again, and then when I come, I'll be showing you how it's looking like. My hair looks so nice. Just want to go ahead and allow the hair like dry, but not too dry. This Diana on my hair. This one, it works wonders. That's what I've been using. So I'm going to condition my hair. The smell alone is killing. Like, oh my god, it's so nice. I love it. So I'm going to take this one, comb my hair out, and then start applying it on my hair. I'll apply it on my hair. You know, just like the way you put your relaxer, the same way you apply on your hair. Without the brush, to brush the tip, make sure it's so smooth. And then after, you guys, can you see that? Oh, my god, my hair is so healthy. Like, I know, even if you guys don't tell me. No, don't say it. I know myself. I need to praise my, oh, did you guys see that? It works wonders. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it. See, one thing you should know about hair is when you take good care of your hair, you get good results. I'm telling you. I know when I used to complain about not having good hair, I wasn't that like, I know I'm not 100% perfect, but I wasn't really taking care of my hair like the way I'm doing now. So now I'm seeing good results, like good results. So if you guys want a very good hair, you need to start taking care of your hair. Yes, I know sometimes it's kind of, we are always busy with what we do, like with work and so and stuff like that. But the fact is, if you want a good hair, you need to take care of it properly. That way you can get a good hair. Yeah, now I'm done with the twist. After twisting the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this nylon. Yes, that's one. After that, so like this. Just make sure it's so hot, like yes, guys, I'm gonna say this one. So and I'll come back to show you how it's like. Bye. I'm back to show you how the hair is looking like after like 13 minutes. This is how the hair is looking like. And it's so soft, so soft, guys. All right, guys, I'm just gonna wash it out and then come back to show you how it's looking like. Yes. So I'm just gonna take this shampoo, conditioner, like same to the shampoo I just used. I bought this one. I've not tried it before, so this is the first time I'm trying this product. So I just put my hair. I'm going to you guys see that? Like, it's so smooth. So smooth. Just one. So guys, this is how my hair is looking like. I have too much product on my hair, but I'm just going to use this, the oil, black castor oil, to have on my hair. So that's all. And then my DIY aloe vera oil. In case you've not watched it, I'm going to leave it up there so you can watch and see how I make it. This also works wonders on my hair. In case you forgot, I'm just 4-month-old natural hair, and my hair is really growing so fast, so I'm going to use it on my hair, so you can just go there and watch to see how I make it. I'm just going to go ahead and unroll it. This is the final result of how I wash my hair, and then I just cornrow it to make sure it's okay, and then when it's dry it's gonna be easy for me. This is my final hair. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye, and please stay safe. Bye guys.